Most of us can swim, but not very efficiently. So what does it take to get better? A few small improvements to your technique will help you get better exercise and look better with your clothes off. We'll give tips for the 4 main strokes: front crawl, backstroke, breaststroke, and butterfly. Front crawl is the most popular stroke, and it's great for a solid workout. It works out your core, shoulders, glutes, and hamstrings. Stretch your body as long as you can and kick from the hip with your toes pointed. Roll your head gently to breathe every 3 or 5 strokes on alternating sides. Your arms should be at 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock when they go into the water. Bend your elbow and pull hard to move water past your body. Your elbow should leave the water first when you bring your arm back up. Quick tips. Tense your core to stay level in the water. Always point your fingers towards the bottom of the pool. Roll your shoulders back and forth with each stroke to get your arm high out of the water. You can practice kicking and breathing by swimming with a kickboard in front of your head. Backstroke is great to catch your breath and rest. You can work on your body from all angles if you do it with front crawl in the same session. It mainly exercises your core and back. Quick tips. Kick from the hip with your toes pointed and try to kick 6 times for each arm cycle. Keep your head looking up and slightly forward. Lift your legs near the surface of the water to keep a streamlined horizontal shape. Bend your elbow to push water past your body. Breaststroke uses different movements, so it's perfect for working on separate muscle groups. It uses your chest and all of the muscles in your legs. You can remember the movements by thinking, pull, breathe, kick, glide. Your arms should snap together in front of the chest, forcing your body out of the water. Watch how the arms squeeze tight into the chest, then bend to push water past the body. Quick tips. Start with your arms stretched out and your palms facing down. Keep your body in a pencil shape as you glide. Timing is crucial. Kick after breathing, once your head is back in the water. Butterfly is the hardest and most intense stroke. It exercises every muscle group, especially the core, lower back and calves. Kick twice for each arm movement, once at the start of the pull and once towards the end of the pull. You can think to yourself, kick, pull, kick, recover. Quick tips. Stretch your body as long as possible at the start of the pull. Keep your toes pointed. Breathe out quickly as you lift your head, then inhale as your head comes out of the water. Doing strokes right will give you the best benefit from your exercise. A bit of practice can make a huge improvement to your fitness. So try it for yourself and head down to the local pool.